Hey there, thanks for clicking today on HISD. Now we have a quick update on the work our facilities and maintenance teams are doing across HISD, plus a closer look at Westside High School's theater program, and a teacher job fair, school choice, pre-K, and much more. It is Wednesday, January 28th. Let's get started. Well, we want to start today with a quick update for our families. Now, early this morning, HISD facilities teams were back on campuses continuing heating system scans and follow-ups during this cold spell. And a small number of our schools received support today. Now, please know our crews have been working tirelessly to make adjustments and complete these repairs. And we appreciate our families' patience and understanding. And we want to thank our facilities and maintenance teams for their continued work across the district. Well, HISD is getting national attention for one of the fastest academic turnarounds in the country. So take a look here. A new report from the nonprofit Instruction Partners highlights HISD as one of 4 districts making major gains. Now, as we've reported, in just 2 years, HISD went from 121 D or F rated schools to only 18 with 0 F rated schools. The report credits a sharper focus on principals as instructional leaders, freeing them from operational tasks so they can spend more time in the classroom, coaching teachers and tracking student progress. The paper titled System-Wide Support for Stronger Instruction shows how HISD and 3 other high-performing systems are transforming and locking in on academic progress, including HISD's new tools to give principals real-time insight into classroom observations and student learning. HISD says the shift helped boost reading scores by 7 points and math by 8. All big wins for students, teachers, and families in the district. Well, Campus Close-Up this week is taking us to Westside High School. So Westside is a magnet campus offering high-quality programs designed to prepare students for college, careers, and beyond. Students have access to STEAM and health science pathways, along with AP, CTE, and dual credit opportunities. Westside High School is known for its strong programs like today's news story from Westside is over the school's theater program, highlighting how fine arts are giving students the space to create, collaborate, and grow as performers and individuals. The story is up on the channel, so be sure to check it out. Now to some important reminders for our parents and our families. So for families interested in pre-K, right now is the time to start exploring. Now take a look at schools and programs and think about what your child needs the most. Families can choose up to 10 schools to apply to, and our pre-K team recommends that you choose at least 5 at a minimum. The pre-K application window is open now, and applications will be accepted through April 17th. You can fill it out online at the address at the bottom of your screen. And for families with students in older grade levels, the School Choice Phase 1 application window is also still open. Those applications are being accepted through February 27th, and the rest of the School Choice key dates are on your screen right now. You can also get in-person help and learn more about all the options and programs at an upcoming school choice fair. The next one is happening February 7th at the Mandarin Immersion Magnet School. The details are on your screen. And as always, I'm going to be dropping all the links for you in the video description right below. We have a teacher hiring event coming up for anyone interested in teaching at HISD. Now, this is happening on February 4th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the Sam Houston MSTC. This is your chance to connect with campus leaders, explore each open position, and qualified candidates will even interview on the spot, so come prepared. Now, you need to register online for this event, though. I'm going to drop a link for you right below. And a quick heads up for our teachers and our students. So there's a student art contest tied to this year's FIFA World Cup, and it's happening all right here in Houston. So teachers, you're going to be getting a link soon in Parent Square if you're interested in signing up. The Youth Art for the Green Corridor program is inviting HISD teachers to submit student-created artwork celebrating culture, community, and sustainability. Now, up to 15 schools will be selected to create art pieces that will be displayed around the city. The deadline is February 10th. And again, teachers, be on the lookout in Parent Square. Well, that does it for us today on HISD. Now, as always, we appreciate you watching, and parents, a heads up, the cold weather is sticking around for the next few days, so make sure you and your student are dressed for the weather, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.